Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. So this is just going to be a video of hauls. It is currently raining, so if you guys hear any raindrops in the windows, I'm filming right in front of my window. It's just going to be a Bath & Body Works candle haul because today is candle day. I went to the gym and then I went to Bath & Body Works right afterwards. And I got really lucky because apparently Bath & Body Works opened at 9 a.m. I got there around like 9:40 and I went into the mall, and the mall doesn't open till 10. So unless you guys knew about it and went to the mall early, other than that, there was no one else in the mall. So that was really lucky. I was only in line for about 5 minutes. I've seen other people's snaps and their lines were really long, or a lot of candles were sold out online immediately. So I was very glad that I was able to get all of these candles. I'm very stocked up now. I'm also not the only one in my house that went and got candles. So overall, this house has a lot right now. So I have two of these guys. Some of these are for my mom because I didn't want her to have to go out and get them herself. So I was like, oh, let me just know which ones you want. So I got some for her. But let's just get started. I got Tis this Season. Smells so good. This is like one of my favorites. I got a lot of OGs, just so you know. A mahogany teak wood. I got 3 of these. I got 1 high intensity and then the rest are regular. And these are my mom's jam. So these are for her. Another one. Then I got Marshmallow Fireside. Guys, you know, if you're an OG, these are all the OG scents, and it just brings back so many memories from high school and beginning of my YouTube, because I've been doing YouTube since the beginning of 2014. So yeah, I was obsessed with candles. I was obsessed with watching YouTube, and I remember Bath & Body Works was just the biggest thing. It's still a big thing, but I really started getting into it when I was in high school and watching people's YouTube hauls. Anyways, I got flannel, another OG. Oh, and then on to the next, I got a mahogany teak wood in this cute packaging. I got this for myself. Very cute, very aesthetic. And then this, guys, this caught me by surprise. Okay, so I was looking for winter candy apple, and if you guys are real OGs, you know winter candy apple is usually in a red package. It usually kind of looks something like this, a little bit brighter of a color. So I was looking for those. This is winter candy apple, and it just says fa la la on it. And then very small, not very small, but pretty small, that I almost missed it. It says winter candy apple, and I, of course, grabbed 2 of these. I was really trying to hold myself back. I ended up with 11 candles. This is me holding myself back. I don't know how. I only ended up paying $114. Which is not bad. So candles were $9.50 today. I don't believe they had any coupons because I was looking for them and trying to see if I had any, but I don't think I did. And usually I'm able to get them down to like $8 with the 20% coupon, but I couldn't find one. I don't know if they just did not put a coupon out this year or what, but these are my last 2 candles. I got Spiced Apple Toddy and Merry Mistletoe. This one kind of smells not really like a Christmas tree, like as strong as a Christmas tree, but still gives the vibes. Still gives the vibes. Love it. So yeah, that is the end of my Bath & Body Works haul. Okay guys, so I actually decided that I'm going to add this to a part of my haul. So I got my first FabFitFun box. It's not sponsored, by the way. I wish it was. FabFitFun, holler at me. I got my first box. I actually was watching, oh my god, it's raining so hard right now. I actually was listening to the Pretty Basic podcast with Remy and Alicia, and they started talking about it. And they had a code, and I was like, you know what? I've never done one of those boxes. Maybe let me give it a try. So I got it. This was $50, I believe. And it comes with a HelloFresh gift card. It comes with their little magazine that kind of tells you about the products. And I got this cute blanket. It's called Unhide for Love, Not Fur. Fluffy, furry, friendly, fresh faux. And it's this cute cream color, and I believe I read in the little magazine that it comes with that Ellen DeGeneres is like co-owner of this company. So that's pretty cool. And it came with the original makeup eraser, and I have used this before, like 3 years ago and I liked it, but I didn't keep using it. But I think I'm going to give it a second try this time since I got it in this box. And then it came with the Prep Rally Prep and Prime Detangler from Drybar, which I'm really excited to try. I've been really loving Drybar products and hair products in general. I usually am not a hair product kind of person, but lately I've been digging it. Then it came with this. It's LXMI. I'm not sure how you would pronounce this brand, but this is the LXMI Pure Nilotica Melt Nourishing Balm to Oil. And it says, squeeze out balm and massage into skin. Uses an overnight facial mask or throughout the day where needed. We suggest around the eyes, on lips, and on dry patches. So this is like a multi-purpose hydrator pretty much, because it says you can leave it on night as a mask or put it anywhere else. I have yet to use this. I've yet to use any of these products yet. But I'm really excited to try. So next thing, it is the Cuscio. I don't know how to pronounce this, but it's C-U-C-C-I-O Somatology Yoga Calm and Clean Epsom Salt Hand and Body Wash. I think the cool thing about the FabFitFun box, obviously, is that it gives you a lot of different products that you probably never would have tried yourself. Because I've never heard of this brand, but apparently this is kind of pricey. So I'm excited to try that. And then it gave me the Bluetooth shower speaker. I took the longest shower and I probably should have taken this in there with me. It looks like this. It has the little sticky on it, so you could stick it onto your shower tile. My shower tile doesn't stick, but I do have glass doors, so I'm gonna stick this too. So I think that will be really fun. Right now, I don't use a speaker most of the time because I just watch videos on my phone when I shower. I know that's weird, but that's what I do. So I really just listen to it just from my phone speaker. I don't really need to amplify it. But my boyfriend, I know he does use his JBL speaker in the shower. So maybe we can switch it out and use that and leave the JBL out in our room. Second to last thing, there is the Rodial Illuminating Ultimate Glow Primer Soft Focus Glow Drops. So this is cool. I should have probably tried this today, but I really did the easiest, simplest makeup today because I'm really not feeling the best. Kind of feel like I'm getting sick and it's not really doing well with this weather. I don't want to go anywhere. I don't want to do anything, but I did want to film some videos today because if I am staying home, I have nothing but time to sit and edit them. So I will try that in another video. And then this is the Veromona Color Switch, which I already have one of these, but I did need a new tin and a new guy. Anyways, so I love this. I live by this. I don't wash my brushes nearly as often as I should. I don't know if I should be admitting this, but I do not. I don't even wear makeup every day, so I'm like, oh, whatever. I don't really need to wash it. So if you guys don't know what the Veromona thing is, it's basically when you're using eyeshadow and you want to use the same brush, but you want to use a different color, you go ahead and just hit it with this. It doesn't get it wet. It just takes off the color magically. It really is awesome. And that is the last item in my FabFitFun box. I'm really sad because I obviously just joined it, but I kind of joined it towards the end of the winter box, like when they were putting them out. So I missed out. And they looked like they had some really good fuzzy slippers that I really wanted, but I was just late to the game. So I'm excited to get another FabFitFun box. Apparently it comes 4 times a year, one for each season. So I'm excited to see what else comes in there. So that is the end of this portion of this haul. So I will see you guys in my next video. Thank you guys so much for watching. Bye.